you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Thing ready?
Yeah.
All right. I've been watching you on YouTube too. What you running here now?
Hang on. Start that over.
I said, what you running here now?
I got 1812s. They're the entry-level dev ones. They're 272s.
Yeah.
On 3 8Ks.
Entry level.
Entry level.
18.
What do you want? 14 and up? 14 to 48?
Whatever you got. I'm here for it.
Let me get it.
Finally get to see it in person.
I had a question.
Go for it.
Never mind, I know the answer. I was going to ask if you cut your back wall out to do this again. I can see what you did, yeah. I wanted to do one in that Silverado over there.
Now, if you go way back into Papa T's videos and some of these other guys' videos, I used to have a blow through the rear glass with
Yeah.
and it got down.
I wanted to do one of those, so rear glass blow through.
When I did it in here, I loved it. I wish you still had my back seat.
Yeah.
I got kids, but
Well, mine's a single cab, so. But
here we go.
And I don't not pretend to
14 to 48.
Long PJ. Shout out to that West pizza. Grove out of because I can't put you on no oil. You a gulper, not a sipper. Sour. Texas. She done. Tricky, I hop. So I ain't swing back to my seat.
Yes, sir. It don't take much to do it now, do it?
Nah. I'll give you one with the window up.
Okay.
Go right over here.
Who designed the box? 100 Martin?
100 Martin.
Okay, 100 Martin, yeah. That's the go-to guy.
He did a good job on this one. I'm gonna knock your hat off.
Okay. What's the engine now? Crazy right there, man. And let them know what you're running here again, man.
18 272 12s and 3 ASA 8Ks.
Yes, sir. Y'all be sure to give them. What's your Instagram, Facebook?
You can find me on TikTok.
Okay.
On with F150s.
Okay. Y'all know I'm gonna tag them down below. We got some other videos. I'm gonna try to tag them too, man. I'm good to see you, bro.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Told you.
Yeah, you said.
You got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.